This video is to help you learn how to use your iPad camera to record a video of you singing or playing your instruments and to submit that video to Google Classroom all on your iPad. So first, I need to take a photo or video. So I'm going to go to my camera app. The camera app can see whatever I'm doing, but I want to see myself. So I'm going to press the camera button that has a recycle sign circle in it. And press that. Then you can see yourself. Make sure you're not putting your thumb over the camera. Then you're going to swipe down to take a video. You know it's recording after you press the red button, and at the top of your screen you have numbers, and they're going to be going up. Then when you are done recording your video, you press the red square in the circle, which is the stop. After that, you need to go find the video in your Photos app. You select the video, on iPads the pause button's up at the top, and so is the share button. So you're going to click the share button, which is the square with the arrow. You're going to see that your video has a blue check next to it, or that means that's the one you're going to share. Then you can swipe along here to see what apps you can use to share it. In this case, we want Google Classroom. Once we click Google Classroom, it will open Google Classroom. It will select a class, and this is my practice class. So then I click Attach to Assignment. There will be a list of assignments here that I haven't done yet. So I click that. It will load, and then it's going to disappear. After it shows up under your work. Then you're going to press your home button and go to your Google Classroom app. Here, you go into your class and into the assignment. You swipe up or tap the arrow, and you'll see that there is a video uploaded. This part is important. Press turn in, and then turn in again. Now, if you want to check which video you submitted, you can press on it and it will play. Red button, and at the top of your you can close it by tapping the X. And if for some reason you put the wrong video, you can click Unsubmit and click the X and start over again.